In this review, we're taking a closer look at Figma, a cloud-based design platform that's become incredibly popular with designers and developers alike. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, Figma offers a smooth, intuitive experience for designing everything from websites to mobile apps. First, let's talk about Figma's user interface. When you log in, you're greeted with a clean, modern dashboard where you can access your recent files, projects, and teams. The layout is simple but effective, and everything is easy to find. You can create new files with just a few clicks, and the option to organize projects into teams makes it easy to stay organized. One of the standout features of Figma is its collaboration tools. If you're working in a team, Figma allows multiple users to edit the same file in real time. You can see who is making changes, leave comments, and even design together in the same space. This makes it a powerful tool for design teams, as it eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails or waiting for others to make updates. It's like Google Docs, but for design. Figma also offers a rich set of design tools. The vector networks and advanced layout grids give you control over every element of your designs. You can create complex shapes, use smart guides, and access a variety of pre-built design components to speed up your workflow. There's also a powerful prototyping tool that lets you link screens together to create interactive prototypes. This is incredibly useful for presenting design concepts to clients or stakeholders. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about performance. Figma is cloud-based, meaning your projects are automatically saved and accessible from anywhere. The tool runs smoothly, even with complex designs, and because it's browser-based, you don't need to worry about downloading or updating software. Plus, there's a desktop app for those who prefer that experience. Figma's performance remains fast, even when multiple users are editing a file simultaneously. Another aspect of Figma that I find impressive is its integration with other tools. You can easily import assets from tools like Sketch or Adobe XD, and the plugin ecosystem offers a variety of extensions that can help streamline your workflow. Whether it's adding accessibility features, generating design systems, or automating tasks, there's a plugin for almost everything. On the pricing side, Figma offers a free plan that's great for individual use or small teams. For larger teams or businesses, there are paid plans that unlock additional features, like more storage and advanced collaboration options. Overall, the pricing is competitive compared to other design tools. In conclusion, Figma is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, collaborative design tool. Its powerful features, ease of use, and smooth performance make it a top pick for UI/UX designers, product teams, and anyone involved in design. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching.